Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm constantly doing easy meals. Those meals that won't take you too much time, and this is where this all of the Paso refried black beans comes into place. I love this because every time that I'm doing tacos, easy, fast, convenient, I was always getting not that type of flavor. But once I put some refried beans, first layer, put it there, it gave it life. It's just like it tasted so good because at the same time, it's just like your normal refried beans. But these guys here have a great flavor. And it just has a great match with the tortilla and any one of the dressings or the toppings that you put to your tacos. Great flavor, great consistency. It's like this thick layer of the refried beans. You put it there in anything. I use this with rice. I use this with my tacos, and overall, it's just a great experience. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.